Yeah, so if you have decided on the package you want to go for, all you need to do, click on buy now, and it will take you to payment page. Right here, you fill in your details here, put in your first name, last name, your email address, phone number. You put a valid email address because the login details to download is going to be sent to the email address. Then you can click buy now. Then once you are done with your payment, you're going to get your login details inside the email address you provide. Then you can now log in, and it will take you to this section. So once you log in, this is where you got to bring you into. So depending on the package that you paid for, you just click on the download button beside what you paid for. Like here, we paid for VTU Portal Creator Regular, so the regular is available. Then we have upgrade when you want to upgrade to enterprise, and business pro. So the next one that's available for download is the VTU Portal template. We have made a beautiful template available for you to just upload on your host, and you have a very nice front end which is customizable. Then your customer can easily click on it, cannot link it off. You're going to see how we want to do everything right in this video. So all you need to just click on download button, and the product will be downloaded. The software will be downloaded into your device. When that is done, you're going to have the software like this. This is the one that we have downloaded. So just open it. You can open this. You have the two these two files inside is what we're going to be working with. Then another thing you need is a web hosting space. You need a web hosting space. So you can purchase a web hosting space from any good hosting company. There are quite a number of them. You can browse your internet, or you have some of them like Namecheap, you have GoDaddy, we have Web for Africa, we have Domain King, quite a number of them. So you can buy from any hosting company. The application doesn't support it doesn't select a hosting, so you can work with any good hosting company. But what you always advise when choosing your hosting company is to select a hosting company that enable all the features on their server. Most of them will disable some mail system, so you'll be having some issues. You might having some issue sending email. That's the application may not be able to send email to some your customers if your hosting company disabled the email. So you have to take into consideration that while purchasing your hosting. Then when you must have done with your hosting, you're going to log into the cPanel of your hosting, just as you have here. This is a cPanel of a site which you'll be using for a sample here to set up this VTU portal. Now your hosting company going to give you the username and password to log in and get access to this very cPanel have here. Now once you have logged in, the first thing you need to do is to upload the files that VTU software will have purchased. That is this the files here. The one we need to upload is this one, VTU regular 4.0. This one is an SQL, so you're going to see where they put it in the database. But here for now, this is one we are going to upload. So what we need to do is to come to scroll down to files, then click on file manager. Okay, file manager. Then inside your public HTML, you can upload that file right there. Like this site, you already have some files inside. That's why you're seeing all this folder and the files inside already. But if it's a new hosting entirely, it's going to be blank. This place is going to be blank, so you might only see this CGI folder if it's a totally new hosting company. But notwithstanding, we're going to put it into this the hosting that already have another files in there, and they're not going to contradict each other. So what we do is to upload this very file here into this public HTML. Then another way to do that is to use subdomain. Some hosting support a subdomain. So if you want to install it in a subdomain, all you need to do, you come to your domain section, then you're going to have subdomain. But this hosting doesn't support a subdomain, so you have to be sure that your hosting supports a subdomain. So if it supports subdomain, you just come here, go to see subdomain, then you now create one and upload inside. Subdomain is just like this very public HTML, only that if you come here, go to see the name of the subdomain. If it's app, it's going to be something like app.nairasense.com.ng if I'm using subdomain. But in this case, we're going to put the file directly at the public HTML. So what to do is to just click on upload. Then it asks us to select the file you want to upload. So you're going to select this very file. Then you need to know the location of the file you have downloaded. Like here, we have our file at the desktop. I put it at the desktop. That's why we have this. So we're going to look at the desktop for this very file. Then we'll now click on select file. Then select desktop. You now look for VTU 4.0, and I'll open this folder, and you now select this zip file. So click on it and then click open. So it will start uploading. You can see the file is just 64.22 MB, so it will not take that time, and the upload will be completed. So all you need to do, you just relax and allow the file to finish uploading. Then we'll now proceed with the next configuration. So just wait while the upload completes.